How many times have you edited photos and tried to organize them and you couldn't find the best way? Well, I found the best way in Lightroom Classic, so let's go dive in. Hey, I'm Andrew Howard, Howard A, and today we're talking about how to organize your photos the best way and maybe a little tidbit of how I edit my photos. So let's open up Lightroom Classic and I'll show you guys how I organize my catalog. All right, so I use one catalog per year, and that is how I'm sticking to it, and that's from what I've heard a lot of people do. So far in this catalog, I have 2,700 photos. There would be more, but I had a drive crash. So yeah. How do I organize it? I organize it with different types of photography, and then I have an unorganized way. So if my own unorganized collection, I do collect different collections for different things. Collections that have collections in them. And the unorganized one is a smart collection. If I set it to collection, if the collection doesn't contain A, E, I, O, or U, or any numbers, then put it into this collection. The reason how that works is it checks if the collection has any vowels. Most words have a vowel. Actually, all of them do. So that's why it's unorganized. If anything's in here, it's unorganized, and that way I can put it into a different collection and organize it better. So on the left side here, you can see all of the collections I have. Underneath Smart Collections, I have Automotive that has any bikes, boats, cars, and then shows like Spring Cruisin', Cripple Creek Car Show. Underneath that has Exterior. I couldn't think of a better way to put it. So for exterior, it has some real estate photos inside of it and random landscapes. Under this is family. Don't know. Food. I love food. I hope you do too. Pizza's definitely my favorite. I don't know if you wanted to know that, but there you go. Underneath food, I have two. I did a photo shoot and a video for a place called 3 Blonde Bakers, 3BB Cafe in Bethany and Fenwick. And I did some photos. Right now they're not synced because it's on a drive that's at home. And Rise Up Coffee. Next one is interior for other real estate photos. Right now there's nothing much. Windows. Doing some real estate stuff here soon for a new client, so that'll be exciting. Underneath here there are a lot of portraits. There are 609 portraits. I have them organized by person, and then me, of course. I don't know why there's 7 self-portraits and my name's at the top here. Either way. Actually, I know why. The bottom is self-portraits, the top is me, people who have taken pictures of me. All right, next. If you don't know how to make a collection, also, you click Create Collection, name it, and you can put it inside a collection set. If you want to put a random one, like these bottom ones over here, Cripple Creek, Instagram Grid, and Moodygrams, then you can put them there. You can include the selected photos and set as a target collection. All right, next, products. I have different products that I'm trying to take pictures of. So my Eagle Scout, different things for being an Eagle Scout, and different medals, the books, and then also my Barrett badge sash. Any miscellaneous, I usually make a miscellaneous thing just to kind of organize it. Or the arrow, more scouting stuff. Rove Pro, these little Rhino slider. Shoes, random shoe photos. Sony, pictures of the new camera that I'm using right here. And then my Wandered backpack. I have more of that. Hopefully you can get that drive recovered. Sports, I have different golf pictures taken at the golf course. Actually, let's move some in here now. I'm going to go to photos and video, 3-man challenge at Cripple Creek, images, and there's a bunch of images. There's some portraits that I did earlier also, but these are all going to be brought in, and if you look at unorganized, they're all right here. So let's go and select all of the golf photos for Cripple Creek. Click the first one, hold shift, click the last one, and then go to sports. Drag it over to golf. But I'm also going to put those selected ones, select them again. I'm also going to select them and add them to Cripple Creek. That's the golf course I work at, by the way. Don't think it's kind of a negative thing. The Great Outdoors. These are the best ones. I absolutely love these. Different landscapes. And under this, I have different places where I have taken those landscapes. Miscellaneous, where I just don't feel like organize them. Places that I know that they're at. Bethany Beach, Trap Pond. Then I also have nature, different photos, different animals. I don't know why I have one in my car, but oh well. And then these are also great outdoors photos that I've taken at the golf course. Delaware Seashore State Park. There's a time lapse if you kind of can tell where it gets darker. I don't know, different stuff. The moon! And then my last and another favorite is also travel. You could be combined with the great outdoors, but I like this organization. Different place I've traveled to. New York City, of course, is my favorite one. And you can see there's a bunch of awesome photos. And if they're grayed out, these are the rejected ones. You can press X and it rejects it, P if it picks it, or U if you want to remove a flag, but I usually leave it at X. Ones I don't like are X'd out. All right, so unorganized. The rest of these are photos. I can shift and click and put those in portraits. Wow. Those under Bethany West. All right, so that's really how I organize my photos. I use collections and lots of different collections and more collections underneath collections. And then if you click at the bottom here, you can click on different collections that you've done recently. You can clear, release, and you add to favorites. But all of my photos you can see at the bottom here if you don't know where to go and you're trying to find certain photos. But like I said, the unorganized is the best, absolute best set, so you can know which ones have not been organized. Here, remember, take a screenshot. Collection does not contain A, make sure there's spaces between it, A, E, I, O, U, O through 9, and that's how you make an unorganized collection set. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how to better organize your photos. If you want to learn more of Lightroom Classic and learning how to edit your photos better, please drop a comment below what you want to learn. Also DM me on Instagram at @ahoward_a. Check out my latest. I have some awesome things from New York. And coming soon, going out to LA for about a week for Vid Summit, and then also just going out to explore. So go out, go create, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.